אחורה למעבר חצייה. אחורה. אחורה למעבר חצייה. אחורה. עד המעבר חצייה.
לא הייתי אחד פה.
אחורה.
תראו, תעלם רק. לא, חבר.
ויפסח כל תתחין כל יצריל
Stop please.
You know, every day the crisis gets worse. You keep thinking, how could this get worse? And yet it does, right? When we're facing the invasion of Rafah and what that will mean to the millions of people that are seeking shelter there, right? This crisis, you know, the reason we came all the way across the world is because the crisis is at a scale that's unimaginable, and we can't simply stay where we are and not try to do what we can, however we can, to bring attention to this crisis and to stop this crisis. Ceasefire is the only thing that will save Gaza.
Let's go. We're going. Take a rice. Take the rabbi's. Where's the photo file? It's rice. Yes, we're going. Yes. If it's too heavy to walk with.
Yeah, so behind me is a truck filled with aid that we are trying to bring to one of the northern crossing checkpoints into Gaza. There's rice, there's flour, our attempt to symbolically bring food to the people of Gaza.
איפה הצו? אני רוצה לראות את הצו. לא, אני רוצה לראות את הצו.
אני לא יכול לראות את הצו.
כי אין צו, אתה לא מבין? אין צו.
I'm really proud of it. You know, being here in the name of Jewish values, being here in the name of Jewish discourse and the Torah, and talking about human rights for all people here. Of course, I can't forget the Israelis. I was in Kibbutz Nirim on October 7th, and can't forget the hostages. But then again, I can't forget also our people, you know, human beings in Gaza that are starving, got killed by thousands, and have devastating ruins.
אין עוד האוטו בלב הכי נגרר.
רגע, על מה?
האוטו נגרר.
אחורה.
כנס בניידת. אחורה. למעבר, פה בצהוב, תעמדו פה בצהוב.
You can arrest us, but we're going to walk slowly our way towards the crossing. Yalla.
אל תדחפו. אחורה. We're not resisting.
We're not resisting.
Why are you pushing? תתחילו לדחוף אותנו בבקשה.
למה אתם מחפשים את העימות הזה? אני לא מצליח להבין את זה.
הלאה. הלאה, קדימה. עוד לקחת אותה.
לא לעבור, לקחת אותה אחורה. אחורה.
קדימה, ליישר קו, ליישר קו.